In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download a file in N8n in just a few minutes. If you're ready, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official N8n website. Once you're there, click Sign In at the top right corner and log into your N8n account. If you don't have one yet, you can easily sign up. It only takes a moment. Once logged in, open the workflow that contains the file you want to download. Double check that it's the correct one, especially if you manage multiple workflows. Next, look toward the top menu of your workflow page. You will notice an ellipsis icon, the three dots next to the workflow history. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Download. N8n will now prepare your file for download. Depending on your workflow setup, you might be asked to choose a format or confirm where you'd like to save the file. Go ahead and select your preferences. Then wait for the download to complete. Once it's finished, check your Downloads folder or your browser's default save location. Open the file to make sure everything looks correct. If something seems off, simply check your workflow again or verify your browser's download settings. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a file from N8n. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more quick N8n tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy automating.